Hello everyone, we are group number A03. Our project name is TURYST. So, TURYST is basically a service providing platform. So, ever been bored by hassling between the different apps for different services? So, to solve that problem, we have created the app where you get all the services like finding different restaurants, movies, events, and transport service, everything at a single place. So let us first initiate our MongoDB. So I have already set up and started a MongoDB database, and now I am going for the our login screen. So this is our initial login screen. I have already inputted the data for sign up. So I am signing up this username whose name is Lucky, last name is Sony, giving it some uh, username ls2. This is the email address and a password which is ls, and a birth date. This is a date picker which I have used, and his gender male. So let me sign. So yeah, we have signed up successfully. So now let's try and log into the database ls2, right? And let's initially give some wrong password which is lv. So log in, which will result into a login failed, which is okay. Now let us give username ls and a correct password which is ls. Log in. So now we have landed on our home page. So we have created our website where our front end is coded in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap, and our back end is controlled by MongoDB and PHP. So this is our login page. So you can see a top navigation bar here, the name of our website, the search menu, the home option, the restaurant option, movies, events, transport option, the offers which will be offered, and a my profile drop down menu. In the my profile drop down menu you can see options like my account, where you can see your account details, move my booking, where you can see your previous bookings which you have made through this website by your account, settings which you can change, and a logout option. And you can also see this carousel of displaying what the website is about. So let us go to our service. We can see here a sliding effect. This is a sliding effect we have used here. Let me show you once again with sliding effect. So we have in the our first sprint created only for the restaurant details. This is the service we'll be providing on our website, and a trending of menu, the horizontal scroll of a trending menu, which we will be implementing in our further sprints. So now let's move on to our restaurant page. Yeah, I clicked it. So in this page we have made an AJAX call to the Google API and got JSON response as a data. Then we have parsed it and stored it in a Java error list, which you can see here. Yeah, this is a JSON calling. Yes, and this is our error list where we have parsed it and stored in a different error list. Suppose for a restaurant name, the error list, and the details about its rating, its location, and the further reviews by different previously booked users. So this is the code for it. Also the code for our home page is shown here. You can see this is a code for our top navigation bar, the movies, restaurants, home, transport, offers, and this drop down menu code. And the other section you can see our the service section which we have used the code for that, and the code for our trending menu. This is our code for trending menu, and the footer which we have set footer. So basically this is the connection class for the sign up, where we have used this is the initiating of a MongoDB database. Here we have set the user input which we inputted on the sign up form initially. So if a sign up is failed due to entering some invalid data, so it will redirect you there, and if the sign up is successful, it will redirect you to the sign up successful. And this is a login successful page, a login authentication page. So back to our website. Yes, this is our restaurant list which we can see here. Here we have implemented an instant search on this page. We have made it more powerful by extending a jQuery default class with a regex and search insensitivity. So I will be displaying you that how we have made it. So let us search something ROCK. Yes, ROCK. It displays the restaurant name with rock. Also let us display something else, for example and. Yes, this is the restaurant in which there is an ampersand sign. So these are some examples of it. Let's get back to our main home page. This is our. So now moving further to the restaurant detail page. So clicking on one of the restaurant detail page, Hotel Ibis Jaipur, so it shows the detail about the Hotel Ibis. We have a restaurant here. We made a ajax call for the selected restaurant which is Ibis Jaipur, and fetch JSON data and passed it as I have mentioned earlier. Now in this section we can also see the customer reviews which we have provided. Yes, you can see the customer reviews, and a reserve option where you can reserve a table for your family by just typing your name, email address, phone number, the number of people of which you want to reserve a table for, a time, and a special requirement for your reservation if you have any, and a reserve now. Here we will be implementing our Google Map location for that restaurant in a further sprint area. So this is our website of TURYST. Our website is responsive and gets adjusted, however the screen is changed. Yes, you can see here the responsive part which we have implemented here. So thank you, and if you have any questions, please post in comment section. For the further developments will be coming soon in our further coming sprints. Thank you.